Assalamualaikum. Hi guys, today I will show you about what's inside my house. So, don't go anywhere. First, this is my living room. This is door and the window. And then I have curtain. And we have sofas. And this pillow, I call it little lamb. I don't know what actually the name. And then this is big lamp. This is sound system, two sound system, calendar, and the clock. Besides my living room, I have all this stuff. I don't know what actually the name in Indonesia because I first time watched this. What is this? I don't know. Can you guys help me? What is it? This is for hair. For tiny your hair, and then this is comb, this is mask, and etc. In Indonesia, I call this etalase. I don't know what. I don't know in English. Actually, all this stuff is sells by my mother, and then my mother have to go to work. This is rack, and then this is sewing machine. What is sewing? Then I don't know what is it because I never opened it. This mannequin, oh my gosh, aurat.
Fame got me killed on my own. I don't know, I was wrong. Fame got me killed on my own. I don't know, I was wrong. Fame got me killed on my own. I don't know, I'm that wrong. Fame got me killed, I'm alone. Flying up, falling down, feeling like a demigod, yeah. Inside my head, I don't know what I wanted. Showing off, breaking off. Showing off, breaking off. Fame got me killed on my own. I don't know, I was wrong. Fame got me killed on my own. I don't know, I was wrong. Fame got me killed on my own. I don't know, I'm that wrong. Fame got me killed, I'm alone. Flying up, falling down, feeling like a demigod, yeah. Inside my head, only need to be accepted. I'm alone, they're gone.